Let's try to do an exercise with question and answers to summarize the chapter 1.1 about network design and high availability. Let's go to question number 1. You can pause the video anytime you want in order to read the options and think a probable answer. What's the main benefit of the spine and leaf design? You can pause the video anytime you want. The answer is number 3, moving traffic between west and east. What strategy will help you getting rid of spanning tree protocol and first hop redundancy protocol without having any issues at all? The answer is number 2, using a stack-wise anti-distribution layer and multi-chassis ether channel. Next question. This Cisco 9000 high availability feature will place your device in maintenance mode so you can work on it without disrupting your network. The answer is number 3, graceful insertion and removal feature. Next question. System resiliency means? The answer is number 2, having redundant supervisor cards, fans, and power supplies. Next question. A hybrid cloud design happens when? The answer is number 3, when you have an on-premise data center and at least one cloud provider. Next question. Calculate the oversubscription ratio. An access switch has 10 downlink 1 gigabit per second wire users and one Catalyst 9100 also. The uplink to the distribution switch is a 10 gigabit per second interface. The answer is number 3. The ratio is 1.5. Remember to calculate the downlink required bandwidth, and you will have to divide that by the available upstream bandwidth. Next question. Select 2 recommended options to design the core layout. The answer is number 3 and 4. Remember that Catalyst 9600 and 9500s are good for the core layer. Next question. You have 2 routers geographically distant, one primary Cisco router, a secondary Huawei router. Both are connected to a carrier provider LAN-to-LAN connection that is prone to flap for no longer than 10 seconds. What is the device configuration? The answer is number 4. Remember that FHRP is a multi-vendor standard and that it has preemption enabled by default. Next question. Choose the ground statements about non-stop routing. The answer is number 2 and 4. Number 2, in Catalyst 9000, it is supported for any routing protocol. That is incorrect because non-stop routing is supported for OSPF version 2 and 3 only. Number 4 requires enable the same feature at each network. It is wrong because non-stop routing is self-contained configuration that it does not involve configuring all the neighbors in your network. That's it.